and we're going to focus more on relational operators. It's a very simple topic, so bear with me. Okay, so what are the relational operators? Well, we have the smaller than, the larger than, the smaller than or equal, the larger than, equal, the is it equal operator, and we have the not operator. Okay, so all of these are relational operators. And the idea of relational operator is it's a way to assume a relationship between two or more variables and then ask the question, is this relationship true? For example, if we have the variables a and b, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, I'm going to assume that a is larger than b. And in fact, it is. So the result of that is a Boolean value of type true. Basically, it means that a is in fact logically larger than b. And if I flip things around, I would say a is smaller than b. Well, in this case, this would be false. But what if I say a is smaller than b or equal to b? Well, in that case, things are going to go back to being true. Okay? What if I say a is not b? Well, in fact, a is not b. 3 is not 2, so it is still true. So that is relational operator. It's a way to establish a relationship between two or more operators, and in the process of it, yielding a result of a Boolean value of true or false. And that is it for relational operators. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.